Hi, hello. Today we have mother of Kashni, a great, brilliant student of coding program from Debe Learning. So, hi, ma'am. Let's start with your introduction first.
I'm Malati, Kashni's mom, and Kashni is 8 years old, and she's doing really well with the coding lessons.
Great, that's so good. And Kashni, as you said, that she's just 8 years old, and that's a very good thing that she's learning from such a young age. So, let's just start with her learning journey. Why did you choose coding specifically for Kashni?
She enjoys coding, and she was looking forward to do something with coding. And when I had initially spoken to Rajat, he gave me an idea
Hmm.
that he can help us out. When I gave him what
Yeah.
exactly I was looking,
Hmm.
he told that he can help us out, especially with the app development and deployment in
Hmm.
App Store.
Okay.
I was impressed. Like sort of other, I have spoken to other providers. It's not the
Hmm.
first provider who is
Hmm.
providing this kind of classes. I think
Okay.
yours was fifth or sixth provider,
Hmm.
and they're quite competitive also. It's not like small names, but I chose
Hmm.
you guys because I was happy with how it went, the class demo session and everything. That is the reason I
Okay.
chose. And I'm
Hmm.
as of now, till now, I'm satisfied.
Okay. That's so great. And so yeah, my next question was also the same. So why did you choose specifically Debbie Learning for Kashni's coding journey?
After the demo session, I was
Yeah.
convinced that you can get her do the job. It was tailored specifically for my
Hmm.
daughter, which was
Hmm.
quite helpful rather than just some generic. I can do it from me or something else, but
Yeah.
I wanted someone like tailored, something tailored to my daughter, which I felt
Hmm.
I could get it from here. I'm still hopeful that I can do it. I'm hopeful.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah. So till now, how has your like experience been?
I'm really happy because the teacher is quite means he is able to the both the teachers, the first teacher Rajat and
Hmm.
second teacher is
Naman.
Naman. Both
Yeah.
are quite understanding like how Kashni is behaving. Sometimes she behaves in the class, but they are
Hmm.
understanding and they are able to adapt and tell her to focus
Hmm.
back and go on and do continue with the class, which is quite
Okay.
important. Why? Because she's
Right.
very young. Sometimes she
Hmm.
loses, and they're able to adapt to her needs and do it.
Right. Hmm.
Apart from that, the lessons are tailored for her, and they're small projects, and homework is well tailored and given as not like huge chunks, but given in
Yeah.
phases, which is also good.
Okay.
And it is specific to whatever she has to learn, like JavaScript,
Hmm.
whatever she's typing or
Right.
anything. The teacher is quite helpful, and even technically, he's well off. Of course,
Hmm.
must be. Teaching 8-year-old is not like he's
Yeah. Yeah.
teaching machine
Exactly.
learning or something, but he is well off in
Concepts.
technically also.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel we're quite positive till now.
Okay. That's great. So as Kashni is doing coding in such a young age, what is your take on this thing? Like children should start it early, as early as possible, because in their young age they can learn more, right? So what is your take on this?
I like to give exposure. It is her. For me personally, I tried this with my son.
Okay.
I tried giving him exposure. He enjoyed only like two or three things.
Hmm.
But for my daughter, she loves everything I put in front of her. You would tell her
Okay.
art, she loves it. Coding,
Hmm.
she loves it. But coding, she's enjoying a lot because
Oh,
it is something like she's doing something and something on the screen moves or something jumps or something happens there that is
some
making
output
her
is coming.
excited.
Yeah.
Yes, it's not like maths, you solve the problem,
Uh-huh.
just a tick mark, yeah, correct answer. It's not like that. There is something
Right.
happening, that is, she is designing something. It is
Right.
making her feel excited, feel good. It's not just like an answer, correct answer, wrong answer.
Feeling of
Um,
accomplishment, you can say.
yeah, yeah. And she's showing off her app to
Hmm.
my friend or her brother, she feels good about it, and I think that is going to help her to grow to certain
Right.
age. It will help her. After that, it will be different reasons she'll learn, but as of now, this is the reason she's learning.
Yes,
And
exactly. So,
logical reasoning is quite important, and trying to understand reuse, usage of function, and
mm,
it can be applicable in real life, but all this will help her eventually. This will
right,
help her.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will create the base for learning logical reasoning, as you said. Yeah, that's exactly. So,
Yeah.
yeah,
Thank you so much.
yeah, the feedback was great, and thank you so much, ma'am. And I hope
Yeah.
like Kashni will achieve everything you want, and for sure we'll help you out there.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Then have a
Thank you
nice
so
day.
much for joining. You too, ma'am. Please, thank you for joining
Cheers.
us.
Then bye.